It can be very nerve-wracking for providers who are switching software. They almost feel like they're in it on their own, and we definitely want to prove to them and show them that we're a partner through that change.
The implementation has been very smooth. We have specialists for each area of implementation, which is great.
We had a very short timeline for implementation. We also didn't have a lot of staff to throw at this. MatrixCare was able to come up with a timeline that fit what we needed.
We had great partners on the MatrixCare side to help kind of hold our hand initially to make sure that we were doing the right thing and that we were being nimble enough to make decisions and make changes in how we were doing things.
MatrixCare provided training for our staff. They came in all hours of the day, picked days that were convenient for us. I didn't have to worry about anything, literally. I just had to show up and have the staff come in.
Once customers successfully complete implementation, they're transitioned to calling our customer support teams. They're always available to ensure the continued success of our software and their providers.
They're constantly updating our EMR system, and it's fantastic. We have a really great rapport with our account representative. He keeps us up to date, and the support is really fantastic.
The main value is the relationship. Things will change, that's the only given. It's how we work together to make sure we're working through the right changes and doing things at the right pace and priority.